Realllycool. Reptiles. The Crocdilian family. Crocodilians are really cool reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. The sun keeps them warm. The shade keeps them cool. Reptiles have scales. Reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles hunt other animals. An alligator is a crocodilian. A crocodile is a crocodilian. A gharial is a crocodilian. Crocodilians are very big. Crocodilians have sharp teeth. Crocodilians have long tails. Crocodilians are good swimmers. Crocodilians are good hunters. Crocodilians are good mothers. Crocodilians are amazing animals.
Great job.